Looking at this Forsythia plant, you can see it's just finished flowering and the leaf is just starting to come. This is a very old shrub and you can see that the branches look a bit, frankly a bit knackered. There wasn't as much flower here as you might have got on a young plant, and it's time to give this Forsythia a really good haircut to allow it to reshoot again much more vigorously. And in 2 or 3 years' time we'll have a lot more flowers than we've got today. If you look at the base of this plant, you can see that it was last cut back maybe 10, 12, even 15 years ago, and you can see that it shot away vigorously then. So what I'm going to do is cut it back, but not quite back as far as it was cut back before. I'm just going to take it back so that there's plenty of newer wood for the shoots to come out from. So I'm going to just nip the branches off. So now we've got a nice clean base for the Forsythia to shoot away again. And what we've uncovered, although crowded out by the light, was another Forsythia which was pruned a few years ago. It would have grown better than this if it had a bit more light and not been covered over by the main plant. But you can see that the hard pruning has allowed new shoots to come from the old wood, and that these are looking really quite vigorous now. And that's what we hope to achieve, a vigorous new plant filling up this corner, but with rather more flowers than we've had for the last year or two. Hasn't it got nice bark, Forsythia, when you look at it closely?